Dear students, I am Santhan, working as a physics faculty in Target English Medium School. Today, in this part video, I would like to teach another chapter in our subject in 10th standard level. The chapter name is Human Eye and Colorful World. The chapter name is Human Eye and Colorful World. So what is the name of our chapter? Human Eye and Colorful World. Mainly in this chapter we are discussing about what is the structure of human eye and what are the parts in it, and what is the role of the each part in the human eye. After that, how many types of normal basic defects are occurs by the human eye, what are they, how we can eliminate it or how we can correct that defects. Further, we are going to discuss about if the light is passing through a prism, what will be happen, how we can find refractive index of the prism, and later we are discussing about what is the dispersion and what is scattering of light and applications of scattering of light. So these are the main topics involved discussed in the chapter of Human Eye and Colorful World. Let me start our topic. Let me start our chapter. First of all, in this chapter we discuss about what is the least distance of distinct vision and what is the angle of vision. Least distance of distinct vision. So what is the least distance of distinct vision means? Generally, sometimes you are observing when you are read any so means during the preparation of exam, that is SA1, FA1, whatever that may be, or script test also. If you can read the letters or words in your running notebook or in test book, at that time you are observing that, for example, it is one of the book we are considering that here, on this book, on this magazine, so some letters are there. That letters are either maybe English or till whatever that may be. Now, first you keep the book in front of your eye and first of all try to that book and observe the letters on the book. Now we can bring the letters of the book near to your eye and try to see and read, so you are not able to read because of the letters are appears to you blur mode only. And also at that time our eye will be painful. It's nothing but why it will be painful after seeing that words very close to your eye means our eye cannot be bear more strain. But the same letters on that book, so slowly we can bring away from your eye slowly. At one particular distance from your eye, you are able to see these letters without any strain. Listen very carefully. When you observe the some letters on the book, that is either textbook or running notebook, Now the letters are initially keep very close to your eye. At that time you are not able to see the letters clearly. But now the letters in the book is slowly being away from your eye at one particular position. The letters you can read without any strain. At that time you are measure the distance from your eye to position of the book in front of your eye. That is gives which one? Least distance of distinct vision. So listen very carefully. When the letters are keep very near to your eye, you are not able to see that one. The letters are appears to blur, and also your eye will be very painful because of our eye cannot be bear more strain. But the same letters in a book you can bring up to certain distance from your eye. So means up to the letters you can move away from your eye when they appears very clearly. At that time you measure the distance, so that is called least distant vision. So generally, so first I will say that the distance at which you can see printed letters on the book, the distance at which you can see printed letter without any straining of eye is called least distance of distinct vision. So after seeing the statement of this one, you can understand very clearly by yourself. The distance at which means is nothing but at what distance you can see the printed letters without any straining of your eye. That distance is called least distance of distinct vision. Is nothing but in front of your eye. So the must and should you can keep the any printed letters in particular distance. After that one you can bring away from that one also you can able to see, but minimum distance, that is the call. That's why what is the least distant value for in case of human eye? Or in sorry for normal eye the least distant vision value is 25 centimeter, but it is not constant, it is the average value. It is varies from one person to another person, that is based on their eye position. Means for young age is nothing but below 10 years, 7 to 8 centimeters. For old age peoples above the 60, like that one, 60 years. Nearly 1 to 2 meters. So listen very carefully. What is the least distant vision? The distance at which you can see printed letters very clearly without any strain. That distance is called least distant vision. For normal eye is nothing but in the for middle age of the person's 25 centimeter. But this value is also varies from one person to another person. That is like we discussed that. For young age is nothing but below 10 years only. Below 10 years age of the children, you are observing that okay, their least distant vision is 7 to 8 centimeters only. Why? So for below the 10 years children, the value is 7 to 8 centimeters means okay, their eye can be okay, bear more strength, and also their eye will be having very flexible and very strong. Due to that reason, what will be happen? So okay, below the 10 years children's okay, I will be bear more strain. Due to that one, if okay, in case of that below the children's, the distance from eye to position of the printed letters is 7 to 8 centimeters. Also, they can read very clearly. But in case of the normal age people, so what is that one? Minimum distance from our eye to the okay position of the book or position of the letters is minimum is 25. At that time only we can see the letters without blur, and we can read the letters without any strain. But in case of the children below the 10 years, just okay 7 to 8 centimeters is the least distant vision. From that distance up to certain long distance also they can able to read or see the object very clearly. But in case of the old age people above the 60 years, okay, that persons are okay, that eye will be what will be happen? Losses the okay flexibility. Due to that reason, okay, their eye will be not very strong and flexible. That's why. So what will be happen? The old age people's least distant vision is 1 to 2 meters. Nothing but minimum 1 to 2 meter distance is there. At that time only they can able to see the objects or letters very clearly. So this is the values of the least distant vision at the different ages. For normal eye is nothing but normal age 25 centimeters. Below the 10 years children 7 to 8 centimeters. For old age peoples nearly 1 to 2 meters. Angle of vision or vision angle. Angle of vision and vision or vision angle. So angle of vision means the angle at which we can see the extreme ends of an object without changing of eye position is called angle of vision. Once again, listen very carefully. The angle at which we can see the extreme ends of an object. Extreme is nothing but both, okay, top and bottom, without changing of our eye position. Means our eye position is a fixed position. So our eye will be keep constantly and try to see. Means if we can, okay, we can keep an object in front of our eye. At that time, without changing of our eye position, we can able to see the top and bottom of the, okay, ends at a time without changing of our position. At that time, okay, the rays are coming from top and bottom will be made or form an angle at our eye. That angle is called, okay, angle of vision. That value is 60 degrees. So once again listen, the angle at which we can see the extreme ends of an object without changing of our eye position, that angle is called angle of vision. So when we come to that one, first of all, we can take a retard stand. It will be having one horizontal rod also. Now in another side, you are collect the, okay, 30 centimeter, 35 centimeter, 40 centimeter PVC pipes. PVC pipes means we know that in our house, okay, during the wire construction, in the houses, electric wiring, during the electric wiring, we use the PVC pipes, polyvinyl chloride pipes. Okay, so you can take different length of the PVC pipes like 30 centimeter, 35 and 40 centimeter like this one. Initially 30 centimeter pipe we are taken, that's okay, PVC pipe we keep in vertical mode for the horizontal rod of the retard stand. Listen very carefully. First of all, we can take the 30 centimeter length of the PVC pipe. The PVC pipe we place parallel to the retard stand or perpendicular to the, okay, horizontal rod of the retard stand. Anyone? At which distance? 25 centimeters from our eye. So now our eye will be exactly keep along the, okay, along which one? Horizontal rod in the retard stand. Our eye will be keep, okay, horizontally, it means parallel to the horizontal rod. At that time, so the distance from our eye to position of the object is initially how much one? 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. At that time, so without changing of our eye position either upward or downward, so we can keep the eye, our eye will be constant and try to see the extreme points. It's nothing but A and B. A is called top, B is called bottom. That's why try to see the top and bottom at the same time without changing of our eye. So at that time, are you able to see or not? If you are not seeing, okay, slightly it will be moved away from the which one, because of, okay, we know very clearly what is the minimum distance you can able to see the object clearly, 25 centimeters. That's why must and should the object will be initially keep where at 25 centimeters for the normal aged peoples. Now at the 25 centimeters, the person cannot be able to see the top and the bottom at a time. Is nothing but extreme positions at a time. Now slightly, okay, increase the distance is nothing but 30 centimeter. At that time, the person will be see the object clearly, means so then what is the least distant vision of that person? 30 centimeter. If a person at the 25 centimeter only, he was able to see the top and bottom at a time. Okay, so then what is the least distant vision of that particular person? 25 centimeter. If a person cannot be able to see the extreme position at a time without changing the eye, at that time slightly increase the position of the PVC pipe is nothing but increase the distance from our eye. At what distance the person was able to see, okay, extreme positions at a time, that distance is also called least distant vision. So this is the way of the method to measure or identify the what is the least distance of distant vision of the person. With help of this one, you can easily understand that. So the least distant vision is averagely 25 centimeters for most of the peoples, but the few of the peoples based on their eye. Okay, so it will be varies or changes. But what is the angle of the vision? That is now we discussing in this time. So here in the diagram, once you are observing that a person has, okay, a person have least distant vision is 25 centimeters. Initially, so by the previous method, we know that how to find the least distant vision of the person with help of the return stand experiment. So initially, AB is the, okay, least distance of a person is nothing but from the eye to position of the AB. AB is the position of the stick. This distance is what is that one? 25 centimeters. Just we can say that. At that time, the person without changing of his eye, he was able to see the both extremes at a time without changing the eye. At that time, the rays are coming from the A, means the rays are coming from the extreme ends of the object. They make or form an angle at our eye, because of the ray is coming from the A will be meet the people, and B is also come and meet the people. At the people, both rays are, okay, meet. At that time, this angle means the angle between the extreme ends are both top and bottom of the rays make how much angle at our eye, that is called angle of vision or vision angle. It is what is that one? 60 degrees. Now the same objective you can bring towards the eye. At that time, are you able to see the two extreme ends? No, it is possible. But when you can change the position of our eye, means by changing our eye to down, we can see the B dash, and you can changing eye to up, we can see the A dash. Is nothing but when the same stick AB is less than the 25 centimeter. Is nothing but near to our eye. At that time, you see the only part of the object but not the whole object. At that time, okay, so when at that time, what is the angle means here? 3 points are there. What is that one means? Okay, so what is the angle of vision? 60 degrees. 60 degrees is there. So if the angle is above the 60 or below the 60, what will be happen? So if the angle is below the 60, we can able to see what is that one only. Okay, means here, for example, A dash, like one ray I will be draw like this one. So that's why if the angle is okay, this one, what is that one? Above the 60. If the angle is above the 60, then what will be happen? We can see the near object. Is it correct or not? If the angle is below the 60, we can see which one? Whole object. Listen very carefully. If the angle is exactly 60, we can see the extreme points at a time. Both extreme points. If the angle is okay above the 60, we can see the only part of the object. If angle is below the 60, we can see the which one? Whole object. This is the one. So theta is equals to 60 degrees. We can see both ends at a time. We can see the both ends at a time. Second one, if theta is less than 60 degrees, we can see whole object is nothing but at the CD position. The rays are coming from the C and D, so that's why you are observing that. So the rays are coming from the A and B is makes how much angle? 60. Okay, but at the 60 degrees you can draw the line. So the CD is below this one or not? So what is the meaning of that one? So if the theta is below the 60 or less than the 60, at that time we can see the entire object, not only the extreme, entire object. Third one, if theta is greater than 60, we can see part of the object. So means here, okay, in this one you are observing that if theta is greater than 60, only what we can see? Part of the object. So theta is equals to 60. When the object is at 25 centimeters, we can see the extreme positions at a time or simultaneously. If the object is below the 25 centimeters, then what will be happen? Angle of vision is okay. So 60 degrees common. Okay, because of a healthy person with a normal eye was able to see the both ends or extreme ends at a time. But if the stick is very near to the eye, at that time you can see the only part of the body but not the two extreme points at that time. So what is the angle? Above the 60 degrees. If the angle is above the 60 degrees, we can able to see the part of the object only. If the angle is below the 60, what will be happen? We can see the total whole of the body. So, in this part 2 video, mainly we are discussing two topics. What is the first one? First one is what is the angle least distance of distinct vision. Second one is angle of vision or vision angle. The distance at which You can able to see printed letters clearly without straining of our eye. That distance is called least distance of distinct vision. For the healthy person, for the in the middle age, its value is 25 centimeters, but it is the average value only. But it is varies from one person to another person due to the eye flexibility. For the below 10 years children's, this value is 7 to 8 centimeters. Why? Because below the 10 years children's, their eye will be very strong, means this very strong, means flexibility is very strong. At the same time, their eye can be bear more strain. But above the old means old age people above the 60 years, their eye eye will be losses. Their flexibility strength is nothing but their eye flexibility is weak. At that time, they can not able to see the letters at 7 to 8 or 25 centimeters. Their minimum distance of the letters seen clearly at 1 to 2 meters only. That is the one. So next one is, what is the angle of vision? Angle of vision or vision angle means the angle at which we can able to see the whole object or entire the object at a time. That angle is called angle of vision. Or the angle from at our eye, the rays are coming from, or the rays are coming from the extreme ends of the object will be form an angle at our eye. That angle is called vision angle or angle of vision. Listen very carefully. The angle at which we can see the whole object is called angle of vision or vision angle. Or the rays are coming from extreme ends of the object, form an angle at our eye or make an angle at our eye. That is also called angle of vision. The angle of vision is 60 degrees. If the angle theta is equals to above the 60, we can see the only part of the object. Angle of vision is below the 60, we can see the whole or entire the object. So this is the way, a brief idea about least distance of distinct vision and angle of vision. In the next tomorrow video, we discuss about what is the structure of human eye in this chapter. Thank you.